Welcome to AVANTEK Picks. Looking for convenience and style for your home? Best wireless door chimes offer easy installation, crisp sound, and customizable tones. Perfect for any doorway, they ensure you never miss a visitor while enhancing your home's modern appeal. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ring Battery Doorbell Plus. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is a versatile and user-friendly wireless doorbell designed to enhance home security. Featuring head-to-toe video, it provides 66% more vertical coverage than previous models, ensuring you can see visitors completely. Its built-in rechargeable battery charges via USB-C, allowing easy removal and charging without complex wiring. The doorbell connects seamlessly to your smartphone, offering live view, two-way talk, and real-time motion alerts. With a subscription, it can distinguish people and packages and store video recordings for later review. Integration with Alexa-enabled devices enabled hands-free notifications and video monitoring. Setup is quick and intuitive, making it suitable for both homeowners and small business users. The intuitive Ring app allows for customizable motion zones, instant alerts, and live video access, so you can respond to visitors anytime, anywhere. Its combination of high-quality video, smart notifications, and convenient app features makes it a reliable and modern choice for enhancing security. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus balances affordability, performance, and advanced features, providing peace of mind and improved control over your home's entrance. It is ideal for anyone seeking a seamless, connected, and secure doorbell solution. Number 2. Arlo Video Doorbell 2K. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K is a high-quality wireless doorbell offering detailed video and smart security features. With a 180-degree field of view, it captures visitors from head to toe and even packages on the ground. Its 2K HD video with HDR ensures clear visuals in bright or low-light conditions. The two-way audio system allows real-time communication, and pre-recorded quick replies add convenience when you're busy. Arlo Foresight records a few seconds before motion triggers, ensuring no important moments are missed. Motion alerts notify you about people, vehicles, packages, or animals through the Arlo app, making timely responses easier. Night vision provides security even after dark. Installation requires existing wired doorbell systems, but the setup is straightforward for anyone familiar with home wiring. The doorbell integrates with smart home devices, including Alexa, for hands-free monitoring and alerts. Its combination of high-resolution video, wide-angle coverage, proactive notifications, and smart app integration makes the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K a reliable choice for homeowners seeking enhanced security, clear communication with visitors, and convenient monitoring of activity at their front door.
Number 3. Google Nest Doorbell Battery. The Google Nest Doorbell Battery is a flexible and intelligent wireless doorbell, ideal for modern homes. It detects people, packages, animals, and vehicles, sending prioritized alerts without requiring a subscription. The battery-powered design allows installation anywhere, with 24/7 video monitoring and minimal recharging. 3 hours of free event video history are available through the Google Home app, and Nest-aware subscriptions provide extended history and familiar face detection. Two-way communication allows interaction with visitors via smartphone, and the doorbell integrates with Google Home and Alexa devices for voice control and streaming. Installation is simple, either replacing a wired doorbell or placing it freely with battery power. Notifications are instant, providing peace of mind whether at home or away. Its high-resolution video, smart alerts, and compatibility with multiple devices make it an excellent choice for homeowners who value security, convenience, and intelligent home monitoring. The Google Nest Doorbell Battery combines smart features, flexible installation, and reliable performance, offering a modern, connected, and secure solution for any household.
Number 4. CAMSTRO Wireless Video Doorbell. The CAMSTRO Wireless Video Doorbell delivers high-definition video, smart alerts, and responsive communication at an affordable price. Its 3K Full HD resolution with a 127-degree lens provides detailed visuals, while 33-foot night vision ensures clear images even in low light. Two-way audio allows interaction with visitors, and a unique voice changer adds privacy when needed. CAMSTRO balances advanced security features with affordability, offering real-time alerts, clear video, and convenient communication. Its combination of night vision, motion detection, and two-way audio provides peace of mind and reliable monitoring. The CAMSTRO wireless video doorbell is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a practical, feature-rich, and easy-to-install doorbell with strong video quality, smart notifications, and responsive performance. Number 5. AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell D3B. The AVANTEK Wireless Doorbell D3B combines a video doorbell, smart fingerprint lock, and 2K HD camera into one advanced home security device. Its 180-degree wide-angle lens and dual motion sensors provide comprehensive coverage, with alerts sent instantly to your smartphone. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, installation is simple, providing flexible placement options. The AVANTEK D3B ensures safety and convenience, combining high-resolution video, intelligent alerts, and versatile entry methods. It is ideal for homeowners seeking the sophisticated, all-in-one wireless doorbell and security solution that provides real-time monitoring, secure access, and comprehensive home protection. Its innovative features, reliable performance, and smartphone integration make it a standout option in the wireless doorbell market. Choosing the right wireless doorbell can transform your home security and convenience. From high-definition video and smart alerts to seamless app integration and hands-free communication, these top models provide peace of mind and easy monitoring. Whether you prefer Ring, Arlo, Nest, CAMSTRO, or AVANTEK, each offers reliable performance, modern features, and enhanced protection for your home and loved ones.